Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please support me. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Like this video. Thank you so much. Now let's solve this simple maths problem. 5 divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5, and so on. So 5 divided by 5 is what? 1. 5 divided by 5 is what? 1. 1 divided by 1 is equals to what? 1. But this answer is not correct. When we follow order of operation, you will see that now all we need to do first of all, let's divide it. 5 divided by 5 is what? 1. Then we have our divide by 5. Divide by what? 5. You remember that 1 divided by 5 is also can also be written as 1 over 5 divided by 5. So when you have an operation like this, we are going to flip this division to, it will change to times, and 5 will come down, 1 will go up. So this will be 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. 1 times 1 will give us what? 1. 5 times 5 will give us what? 25. So our final answer is what? 1 over 25.